Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to delete YouTube channel permanently. Deleting your entire YouTube channel is different story. This is typically what someone refers to when they say they want to delete their YouTube account. Deleting your YouTube channel details permanently deleting all of your channel's content. This includes past comments, messages, playlist, history, and of course videos. This can all be done without having to close your Google account. And Google has removed the feature to delete your YouTube channel on the mobile app for Android and iOS. And this is the current state of the app. If you wish to delete your entire YouTube account, know that there is no going back. Additionally, it's only possible to delete your account on desktop. You cannot do so on mobile. As Google owns YouTube, this option entails deleting your entire Google account. If you've been using Google services for a long time, this could mean losing an incredible amount of data like emails, passwords, messages, history, and more. To delete your YouTube channel on your desktop, go to your menu, Settings, and Advanced Settings, click Delete Channel. You will be asked to sign in to confirm your channel deletion. This is a safeguarded process and one that cannot be reversed. Once you delete your account, there's no going back. If you're sure you want to delete your channel, click the tab mark. And if you simply want to hide your channel, you can click the top tab and click delete my content. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos and see you guys for the next videos.